Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, what you're going to see is a teardown of a Core 48, and then we're going to build this one to our ratings of 850 horse at the tire. We'll go into a little bit more detail when we have this transmission tore down and in the clean room for the build process. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. You can see we are in the transmission room again. We've got this cleaned up, painted 48 RE case here that we're gonna build this one into one of our 850 horsepower 48s. It's going in a truck out in Alberta. Got to get it together, ship it out there. We're going to go through some of the build process. This isn't going to be like a step-by-step how-to video. If you guys would be interested in that, I would go into way more detail. The video gets very long. I could probably break it up. I don't know. Never done it before. If that's something you guys want, comment, and we can do that on the next one. This will be more of a talk for a little bit, show you some things, and then put you up on the tripod for a bit and kind of watch the process in not real time because that's too long. So 850 horse in 48 land. Basically, you're getting a from us, anyways. TCS billet input shaft, TCS billet output shaft, factory output, not the 29 spline. We do a in the direct clutch, we do a billet piston and a cut plate. We can get an extra clutch in there. I try to do 5 or 6 full thickness GPZs if we can. With the choline steels, that seems to be the best that we have found, the best combination. I know the TCS sells a full kit. Lots of guys can build a full kit for like a 7 clutch with the thin stuff. I don't know. Not a big fan of the thin clutches. They seem to warp pretty quick. And then from there, basically everything else is the same for every level of 48 that we do. We get direct drums machined at a machine shop in town. So this is all cleaned up, ready to go. It's got a new bushing in it already. We get our stator supports cleaned and machined in at the same machine shop. This surface is very, very important to have flat, clean, no variation or warp in there. That's a pressure loss area. We've got our pump ready to go with the new bushing, new seal. It's ready to rip. We do same thing. We've got our low reverse drum machined, ready to go. We do a overdrive piston support with a case mod as well. The case mod is just a small hole in the back side of the housing back here. I can show you that once we get there. We don't do any roller planetary stuff. I don't know. I've done it before. It's expensive to get everything cut and set up. I'm not against it. I don't know if I feel like it's totally worth it. We can do it if you guys want to. Really the only difference between this and a 1000 horse is a billet intermediate shaft, which which we can do if guys want, but yeah, we're not at that point. This one is gonna get actually a Randy's valve body. Oh, my new pump gears. We don't have a valve body tester, so I really hate building a valve body for especially a 48. There's a lot because it's all mechanical. There's lots of areas for issues. Not saying that that I can't build them, but without a tester, you don't know 100%. Like, I wish I had a valve body tester that if I built one, I could just put on the bench and run it through the paces and see see if there's any pressure loss anywhere. But yeah, I don't have one, so I buy somebody's that can test them. Is it a little bit more money? Yeah, but I feel like it's worth it to the customer in the end game. This one also gets a billet flex plate and a billet cover 200 RPM under stock stall triple disc converter. So we'll do the build process and we'll keep you in the loop along the way. Well, here's the final product. Got the trans all assembled here for our 850 build. Got our billet input shaft and all combo kit and valve body and everything in. Billet output shaft. GPZ clutches throughout. This customer has a aftermarket cooler line set, so we made sure we put the other fittings on there for him. He has a deep pan already, so unfortunately I don't get to see this nice trans with a nice PPE pan on here. It gets to leave on a pan that I use to paint everything on, but whatever. It's all good. Everything air checks good. Everything should be ready to rip. These transmissions, they go together nice. I'm a fan of them. I like the 68s too. They go together good, but these ones, I have more faith in them when they're done. These take more abuse for sure. We do almost the same build. The only difference between this one, I might have said this earlier in the video, the only difference between this and a 1000 horse is a billet intermediate shaft. And then up to my 1200 horse plus comp units is just a 35 spline input with a matching converter. So we'll get this one packaged up and ready to ship.